Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security coming to you on this beautiful November the 23rd. It's a beautiful day, sun is shining, no snow on the ground, and this is a beautiful truck. This is a 2020 Ford Explorer ST, cream of the crop when it comes to the Ford Explorer line. Beautiful truck. Customer just took delivery of it literally yesterday, had it tinted, and then brought it straight over to us to have a Thinkware dash camera installed on it. Let me just do a quick walk around so you guys can get a feel for the truck. I also want to just show you the rear camera that we installed. We installed a Thinkware UX1000, or I apologize, it's brand new, the U1000. So let me just open this up. As you can see, the truck is still new. It's still got all the plastic on it. So we mounted the rear camera just up in the rear of the truck on the rear window. On the hatch, ran all the cabling down through the rear convoluted tubing there. I'm just gonna close this down. And then I'm going to show you inside the truck, the box, and what the front camera looks like. This is the interior. Not 100% sure how I feel about this vertically mounted screen, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty big, that's for sure. Beautiful truck, though, and all other things. I think the screen would grow on you. But back to the Thinkware camera. So this is the U1000. This is the brand new for 2019/2020 4K camera from Thinkware. It almost looks like a vehicle transponder for a toll road. It's a little bit different form factor than most dash cameras. The lens is in the center right there, which is why we centered it with the mirror. It does hang the camera down a little bit low, but the client is okay with that. It's got some LEDs on the back. This camera is 4K resolution on the front, 4K resolution on the rear. And basically offers you the best of the best, really. Best resolution, Wi-Fi smartphone app. Coming in 2020, there's going to be a Wi-Fi cloud app that you can view footage with. And also comes with a few different things in the box. This is basically the box right here for the U1000. Let me just show you what comes in the box. We have not put on the included CPL filter. We're going to wait for the client to see if they want to put this on, but that does come with the camera. It comes with that microfiber cleaning cloth if you want to clean the lens. This is an accessory that comes in the box. Comes with a 32 gig memory card. So this is the standard SD card reader. We have the micro SD card in the camera, capable of going up to 128 gig. Comes with some extra sticky. This is an extra 3M double-sided tape. And then it also comes with the hardwire cable. In this case, this is the cigarette lighter jack, or the 12-volt outlet cable. We didn't use this. We did use the included hardwire cable. We do hope to have some sample footage up on our YouTube channel for those of you who want to compare this 4K camera to the Blackview alternative. Beautiful camera, though, this one. I'm very impressed by this product so far. It is still early days. This camera's only been available for about a month now. This is the second or the third one that we've put in, but the first one I've been able to make a YouTube video on. For those of you who heard me earlier say that the rear camera is 4K, I have to double check that. I believe the rear camera may be 2K, although I could be wrong. It may be 4K. I will put notes in the description just clarifying that for those of you who are interested. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up in this Ford Explorer. I'll briefly go through where we ran the cabling. So we ran the cabling up and under the rear view mirror / front camera paneling. Goes along the roof liner, down the A-pillar, and then essentially down into the vehicle fuse box, which is on the driver's side, and gets powered off of the vehicle's fuse box. So it's completely reversible. If the client does want to take this camera out, they can do so. The Ford dealer and any prior or next owners of this vehicle would never know that there was a dash camera installed in here, or he could simply leave it when he sells his vehicle. So we're going into the Christmas season very soon. December 25th is coming up quickly. It's only about a month away. And dash cameras are supposedly going to be a very hot seller for Christmas gifts. For those of you who are interested in the Toronto area, we do offer sales and installations of dash cameras. We also ship worldwide. So if you do want to buy a dash camera for your relative or family member or friend, we would love to assist you. www.lockdownsecurity.ca, 1-866-824-4118. That is our phone number. You can email us, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. We would love to assist with any dash camera or automotive electronics that you require. Thank you very much. Have a great day.